Almost 40,000 people choose to call Alexander County home. Located within the Piedmont region of western North Carolina, Alexander County offers the scenic beauty of the Brushy Mountains, gently rolling countryside, and Lake Hickory. Although residents enjoy the benefits of many community services, business, and industry, Alexander County has maintained that special hometown feel. There's no place like home. The old adage holds true, especially when you or someone you are caring for is facing a progressive or life-limiting illness. Quality end-of-life care and services are available to you in the comfort of your own home in Alexander County. Hospice and Home Care of Alexander County is committed to helping both patients and their families live life to its fullest with optimal comfort and support. Hospice and Home Care provides caring professionals that specialize in easing the physical, emotional, and spiritual discomforts that each patient and their family may face as the end of life nears.
We just didn't feel like we were adequate to give him the relief that he needed and to keep him as comfortable as we could. And when we just absolutely wore out, then we called hospice, and they came, and it was a burden that was lifted off of us because we knew he was getting better care with hospice. Oh, our family just thinks they're the greatest because I had lots of support from the family, but they too felt inadequate. And I think hospice gave us enough of a lift and encouragement that it made it easier for us as well as for Emmett. It's as though it's not just a job, it's somebody who really cares about what they're doing and doing for the patient. And that means a lot to the rest of us.
Hospice and Home Care of Alexander County is available to residents of Alexander and surrounding counties who have a limited life expectancy due to any medical condition. The patient, their physician, a family member, or a friend may call the office to request hospice services. The hospice staff will then consult the patient's physician regarding their eligibility for hospice care. The hospice interdisciplinary team works together to develop a plan of care for each patient. If you are a resident of Alexander County, be sure to ask for referral to Hospice and Home Care of Alexander County to ensure optimal quantity of care as well as quality. Hospice and Home Care of Alexander County provides hospice care wherever a patient calls home. In a private residence, assisted living facility, or skilled nursing center. Hospice is not a place. It's a philosophy of care that takes place wherever the need exists, usually in the patient's home. Given the choice, most people facing a terminal illness prefer to receive end-of-life care in the comfort of their own home. While the hospice team does everything possible to make that happen, there are times when a patient needs more care than can be managed at home, or symptoms require more intense management than family caregivers can provide. For these instances, Hospice of Alexander County provides several options for inpatient care through contracted relationships with other facilities. If the inpatient options available are not the best option for the patient, patients may be transferred to a facility with the resources needed. Transferring a patient is a simple process, and the continuity of care will not be compromised. In addition to hospice care, Transitions is a community service program provided by Hospice and Home Care of Alexander County. Transitions offers a network of support to help individuals facing life-limiting illnesses and their families to find and utilize community resources, navigate through their healthcare system, and have practical support along the way. Hospice and Home Care of Alexander County is licensed not only as a hospice, but as a home care agency. Home care provides in-home assistance to individuals who, due to medical conditions, need help with routine daily activities. Hospice and Home Care of Alexander County provides the highest caliber of end-of-life care and services from a foundation of loving and educated medical professionals and volunteers dedicated to quality hospice care. For more information about hospice, transitions, or home care in Alexander County, contact Hospice and Home Care of Alexander County at 828-632-5026 Follow us on Facebook or visit www.hospiceandhomecarealexander.org. Quality end-of-life care and services are available to you in the comfort of your own home in Alexander County.